Exactly right. People were hunting them very rapidly. Now, I mentioned before that Claude here is only 17 years old. He has a very long way to go. They can live over 50 years in the wild, 80 in captivity. That means that they tend to reproduce a little bit slower and grow slower as well. Luckily, we recognize this here in the United States, and we've protected alligators in the big tree. That's a bald cypress tree, or at least a representation of one. And those trees grow on a substance called peat. Has anyone heard of peat before? It's sort of a rocky substance, shaly-like substance, crumbly, and it can often be traced back to ancient alligator nests that have hardened over time. So the more alligators you have in a swamp building nests, the more space you have for other things to grow, like the bald cypress tree. If you imagine our alligator, he hasn't really moved too much since we started this program about 10 minutes ago, but the alligators will go down to the bottoms of the swamp and dig out huge pits in the bottom to rest, and they'll hold their breath for hours at a time while they're resting